Well, today I just want to quickly show how to do our mini RGB coax connectors, the smaller series, the 23 gauge, 24 gauge, 25 gauge. They all work the same as far as terminating them, putting them on the cable. One of the things that's important to remember is that this connector, when you get it, sometimes the sleeve is out, sometimes it's not, sometimes it looks like this. And the thing to remember is you're not going to put the connector on like a regular compression connector. You do want to pull this sleeve out, and it's a two-piece, and that's important. And the reason for that is because the cable is so small, we want to be able to see what's going on as we're putting the cable up inside the connector. And the sleeve will prevent you from seeing what's going on. So what we're going to do is we'll put this on first, and we need to do the prep here, so let me put that on. Okay, I'm going to take my 15024 stripper, dedicated, preset. And then what we're going to do is we're going to comb the braid back. And I put Velcro, of course, on my coax strippers because Velcro makes a great comb. And what we're going to do is quickly comb that braid back. We're going to do a 1/4 inch prep in the center conductor. We got it combed back. And then you're going to take the sleeve and just put it on. And now we can rotate, push it on right there. And then what you're going to do is just slide that forward. And I've already preset my tool. Put it in.